Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everyone. I'm here again presenting second part of a changelog business goal for IBM Data Replication on cloud. In the previous part, we have covered the difference between copy and changelog scenario, and also we had done the hands-on with the DDL changelog type as log and apply DDL. Today, we will cover the remaining DDL changelog type, which are schema evaluation in same table and schema evaluation in new table. Let's jump on the hands-on. So I have created this two replication asset already created, and this is using changelog pz underscore new is using the DDL changelog type as a schema evaluation with new table, and pz underscore same is using the DDL changelog type as a schema evaluation within same table. Both of them are configured with the same source schema is changelog demo one. So both of them are replicating the changelog demo one, but target schema is different. It is in this case it is changelog demo underscore pz underscore same. In this case it is pz underscore new. Let's say this one got stopped. So I'll start both of this replication together. It is in running state, and this one is also in running state. So while this one gets started, I'll prepare my SQL with changelog DDL SQL. Convert it. Okay, and the other one is this was new. Okay, this is the same. The other one is this one. Copy this. Okay, let's see what is the state of it is started. Now let's see if our table got created. So in we can say this table changelog DDL table got created. And the other one also we can say it is created. Let's push it with DDL. I'll first do a create table. Okay, let's see. In this also this create table got logged. Let's see check the other one. Here also it got logged. Now it got logged twice because we are using the PostgreSQL ingest. In PostgreSQL, every create table will be followed by the sync. So it will have send the target table exist extent. So that is why we are seeing the two create table. In this case also we'll see the two create table here. Now let's do more operation. Okay, I'll do this insert, then I'll insert this as well, then I'll insert this as well, I'll insert this, then I'm doing an update, and I'm doing a delete as well. So I did 4 insert, 1 update, and 1 delete. Let's look into the target table. You can see this 4 insert got replicated, update it got replicated as update before and after, and then there is a delete. In the changelog same also, we can see same record got replicated. 4 insert, 1 update, and 1 delete. Let's do some fun with DDL now. Okay, I'm adding a column. Let's check now. So I'll first show you how many table exist in this schema. You see this new table got created, which is having column added as 0. So it is actually the content of the previous table got backed up, preserved in this table, and the new table got created for the application. So whatever the new DML will do, those will get replicated to test, and the previous state is preserved in this column added 0 table. Now if we look at the test, it is just empty. In the changelog schema evaluation in same table, it will in the same table only it will add a column. Now let's do one DML. Okay, let's look at the target side. You see, okay, this new record got replicated to new table. This won't get replicated to previous state table. In this, we can see new record is here. And I'll show you the state of changelog DDL table as well. Here you can see this add column got logged in this table. That will be the same in this case as well.
In this case also it got logged. One thing is, you might be wondering what is this DDL type, what is this magic number. You can get to know about this magic number by selecting this another table, DDL type to description. This contains the details of what each DDL type mean. Like if I do a select a star on this, I can see this all the operations which are like 8 is add primary key, 5 is drop column, etc. We do support the logging the patch operation as well, and that will get log as DDL type 0. Okay, I'll show you more DDL. Let's do the truncate now. Let's look at the state of target. First, let's check how many tables are there. You see, the state of the table got preserved as truncate 1, and the new table is ready. This is test. This is again schema evolution in new table. If you do a check this table, there won't be any rows since those are preserved in previous table. In this case, sorry, this will get logged here. You can see truncate got logged, and we'll see here demo time test truncated. Okay, let's get it here. Truncated 0. It got logged as truncated 0, and the state is preserved in this one. So for the truncate, in both the cases, we will preserve the state in the separate table. Right? Now let's do some more DDL and DML. I'll do the DML. And let's look at it if it got replicated. It got replicated. You notice the sequence 9, so it is still monotonically increasing. It is from, even though there was a DDL and those got resolved in a separate table, but sequence is continuously increasing. It didn't get reset. Okay, here also it got replicated. Let's do some more fun. Okay, I'll do a drop column. And let's look at the state of target tables. I'll first check the change log DDL table. You can see this drop column is getting logged. And I'll show in this one as well. Here also it got logged. Now let's look at the tables. In this case, this again, the state got preserved in this and the new table got created. Content of this table is empty and new DML will be getting replicated to this table. And in case of schema evolution in same table, you see this column got preserved value in the L name column drop underscore 1, and this column got preserved, and new next DML operation will be having a null value for this column. That's it. Let's do the DML. So we drop the column. I'll do the DML here. Okay, let's look at the content. The new operation got replicated in this one. Let's look at here as well. See, this is having null and new DML operation got replicated. Now let's do some more fun. Okay, I'll rename a column from recall to full name. Let's check the state of target tables. Rename got logged, recall to full name. Here also it got logged. Now let's check the number of table in this. So the state again preserved in this table, and this is the new table got recreated test. Content is nothing. Now within the same, this content got preserved of this column in this table, and the new column is full name. Now the new data of this full name will be replicated to this column, and this will be having a null value. So this is preserving a schema evolution in same table. Let's do more DML. Okay, show you. Okay, new got replicated in this table. If I look at it in this case, see this new column value got replicated in this one, and these are having just a null value. Let's do one more. I'll do an alter column. Okay, let's look at the state of target tables. In case of new table, let's see. So you see again alter column state of table got preserved here, and then we'll be doing a new replication to this table. Let's look at the change log DDL table. You can see this DDL got logged as is. In this case also it got logged as is. Now let's look at the state of this table. So column altered, you can see this, it is preserved in this, and now the new data will be replicated to this column here. And in this case, it is still empty since this is the new table with the new constraint, that is the full name will be having a size as 50. Now let's do one other DML. Okay, let's look at the target table. It got replicated to this one. Let's look at this table. It got replicated here as well. And all others are having just null value. Let's do the last DDL as drop. Table got dropped. Let's look at the state of target table. You see this dropped got, state is preserved in this. And there is no new test since table doesn't exist anymore. In this case also, state is preserved in this. And this test table doesn't exist. So that's all I had to show.